Please understand that a med spa is a medical practice. You will be governed under Texas Medical Board law and any other healthcare law related to a medical practice. So don't be surprised if you do something that doesn't abide by Texas Medical Board or federal law or your state law, that you get in trouble with some of these regulatory bodies. That was the case for one med spa owner who decided to use their med spa as a front for an Oxycontin pill mill. This pain management med spa was in reality just a pain clinic that essentially just charged customers for pain pills. If you don't know, providers, that's physicians and nurse practitioners who have the ability to write narcotics, often get hit up by patients to write stronger drugs for their pain. And the Texas Medical Board and the federal government has been cracking down much harder on these organizations because of it. For whatever reason, this med spa decided to charge patients to fill pain management drugs as well as oxycodone specifically. They would change paperwork so that there was some type of medical necessity that would be attributed to the patient's care. When in actuality, these patients had no medical necessity, and the doctor was just writing drugs like a drug dealer and then charging the patients cash for it. There's a thought from some providers that if I just charge cash, I have no problems in my healthcare business. And that could not be farther from the truth. Just because you don't have issues with insurance doesn't mean you're not going to have issues with your healthcare business at all. And for whatever reason, this provider assumed that they wouldn't have issues because they were charging cash, where in actuality, because it was a pill mill, law enforcement showed up, pretended to be a patient, was charged an amount, was given drugs, and the provider was arrested. First, it is an illegal activity to utilize your medical practice, even your med spa, which is also considered a med practice, for a pill mill. And two, you never want to falsify records in relation to the medical care that you're supposed to be providing for your patients. Now, doctors and providers have a license. They don't have a right to administer care. And if you misuse your license, that license will be suspended, that business will be closed down. And in this case, you will not only face fines, but you also go to jail.